Hello and welcome to our channel, your go-to source for the most fascinating, little-known wonders of the animal kingdom. In today's video, we're diving into the secret life of one of nature's smallest yet most extraordinary creatures, the honeybee. You might think you know everything there is to know about bees, but I promise you, these 9 surprising facts will change the way you see these buzzing marvels forever. So, let's get started. Number 1. Bees can see electric fields. You may be familiar with the waggle dance, the way bees communicate location through movement, but did you know that flowers give off tiny electric fields, almost like faint atmospheric charges, and that bees can actually detect them? Specialized sensors on their hairs pick up these fields, helping bees assess which flowers are worth visiting and which have already been emptied by others. This electric sense gives them a sort of sixth sense for efficient foraging. Number 2. Their hairs double as vibration antennae. Bees are covered in millions of microscopic hairs, which we usually think of as simply making them fuzzy. In reality, those hairs are exquisitely tuned vibration detectors. As bees fly, wing strokes and air currents create tiny vibrations. By interpreting these, bees can maintain stability in flight and even detect the approach of predators or rivals before they see them. 3. A single bee has an incredible memory. Bees are far more intelligent than you might imagine. In laboratory tests, they've learned to pull levers, solve mazes, and even distinguish between human faces. Their brains are about the size of a sesame seed, but they boast nearly 1 million neurons, enough to recognize landmarks, remember routes, and learn complex patterns that rival many vertebrates. 4. They talk with chemical dialects. Every hive has its own unique blend of pheromones, chemical signals that bees use to coordinate everything from foraging to defense. Scouts emit specific pheromones when they find a rich food source. The colony then follows that chemical trail. Remarkably, if you transfer a scout from one hive to another, its pheromones will clash with the recipient hive's dialect, sometimes leading to confusion or even aggression. 5. Bees can sniff out human diseases. Recent research has shown that bees can be trained to detect volatile organic compounds, tiny molecules given off in the breath or sweat of people with certain diseases, including tuberculosis and even some cancers. By rewarding bees in a controlled setting, scientists have developed highly sensitive, low-cost diagnostic tools that could transform medical screening in remote areas. 6. Their wing beats create tiny microclimates. Ever notice how a hive seems to hum on hot days? That's because thousands of bees are fanning their wings in unison, generating airflow to regulate the hive's temperature and humidity. They can maintain an almost perfect climate, around 34.5 degrees